Welcome back to my channel! Today, I'm very excited. Titignan natin kung maganda ba ang products ng SANIYE. If worth it ba each price. Item number 1.
I don't like staying up and talking about your family.
All of this is worth 1,056 pesos lang. And ang rami na niya. Packaging. It's super packed. Like, hindi talaga siya madadamage. I'm super excited. Let's open it.
I don't like staying
Item
up
number
and talking about your family.
Fake lashes. This is worth 19 pesos each. 19 pesos, ang ganda-ganda na niya. Focus ka naman, babe. And I bought 4 of these. So, dalawang number 1. Yes, this is number 1. Manipis lang siya. Sometimes I want the natural look kasi. Isang number 3 and number 7. So, medyo makapal na ito at mahaba yung fake lashes. It's cheap and it's nice. Our second item would be eyebrow powder and gel. Ang packaging pa lang niya, ang ganda na. Let's check what's inside. I like the packaging. Oh, ito lang siya. Ang laki ng box. So, open natin. Wala namang amoy. Ito yung gel. And I think the powder is this one. It has mirror and may cover pa siya na plastic. Ang ganda talaga niya. And how much is this one? It's only 99 pesos. And the color that I ordered is medium brown. So far, so good. Maganda naman yung kagat and walang basag, walang siya. Third item is this eyeshadow palette. Ang tawag nito ay Sunset Dream. Original Sunset Dream 16 colors eyeshadow. I will open this one. Okay, here's the reveal. Maganda ba siya? Oh my god, you guys, ang ganda niya! I bought this for only $1.99, guys. It's very pigmented. So that's a great sign. Another item that is super worth it. This is our 4th item. SANIYE Original Tattoo Eyebrow Pen. Color number 1 ito. Let's see, our 4th item. Napaka-fine niya. Wow, it's super nice. Wala naman siyang smell. It won't erase. The price of this tattoo eyebrow pen is only 95 pesos. Hindi siya natatanggal kahit I rubbed it hard pa. So for our 4th item, okay na okay siya. For me, ang ganda talaga niya. So, our 5th item is Original 2-in-1 Eyeliner Gel Waterproof Eye Makeup. As you can see, dalawa yung colors niya. And ito yung applicator niya. Ang cute! And may cover pa siya, may seal talaga siya. Wow! Yung smell niya is parang siyang baby powder. And this one, baby powder talaga yung smell niya. So, ito lang yung shade niya. This is our 5th item and maganda. And yung ika-6 na product is this one. SANIYE Original Shimmer Highlighter Powder Contouring Glow Palette. Yung amoy baby powder again. And it looks like pigmented naman. I will just swatch this right now because I'm very excited. This is number 1 sa color selection or color variation niya. So, kung gusto niyo to, this is number 1. This is only 79 pesos. And may highlighter ka na maraming color. Unahin ko white. Napaka-pigmented niya talaga. Guys, ang ganda! I can't believe it that this is only 79 pesos. And this one, ito yun. And let's try this one, the gold. Magagamit mo rin to as eyeshadow. This beige color highlighter. Ito yung lahat pigmented. And this is the pinkish one. So this is another worth it item. So yan, ito yung ika-7 and this is 19 pesos also. And our last item, another eyeshadow palette. The packaging is pink and sky blue, and I think this is super cute. 300 pesos na to, and it has 16 colors. Shimmer eyeshadow, matte, long lasting. Binasa ko yung nasa siya. So let's open this one. So 8 items, no damage, and the reveal. I'm really out of words, guys. I will count this individually. So 11 items is super worth it. Kung gusto nyong makita yung outcome ng products na to when applied to my face, watch my next video. I will be uploading makeup tutorial using these products that I bought in SANIYE. So I hope you guys watch it. Excited na ako gumawa ng makeup tutorial gamit itong products na to. Lahat ito gagamitin ko, and I'll just join some other products like foundation, powder. Hindi kasi ako bumili. So guys, that ends our video. I'll see you on my next one.
Every time you open up, I'm shutting down.